Welcome to the Maryland Suburbs MarketWatch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Maryland suburbs housing market, which includes these areas. Nationally, job growth picked up in April as the nation added 288,000 jobs between March and April. This is the largest gain in over 2 years. The unemployment rate also dropped sharply to 6.3% from 6.7% in March. The unemployment rate has not been lower since 2008. While this decrease is promising, much of the decline was due to a decrease in the labor force rather than a substantial increase in employed people. Nationally, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels, but there were some signs of improvement as pending home sales and housing starts did show gains from the prior month. The decreasing number of bank-mediated sales and rising prices and interest rates may play a role in sales in the upcoming months. The local economy gained 550 resident workers over the 12 months ending in March. The unemployment rate was unchanged from February at 5.2%. Buyer activity in the Maryland suburbs was off to a slow start this April. There were 1,504 closed sales in April, 12% fewer than last year. This is the fourth consecutive year-over-year decrease for this indicator. New pending contracts also decreased, falling 6% from last April for a total of 2,436 contracts. Seller activity continues to rise, and the inventory level has now increased from the prior year for 7 months in a row. Active listings increased 17% from last year, rising to 4,045 listings at the end of April. Even with this increase, inventory remains relatively tight and is only 30% of its 2008 peak. New listings also increased from the prior year. There were 2,975 new listings in April, rising 2% from last year and reaching the highest monthly level since April 2011. The median sales price reached its highest April level in 6 years. As compared to last year, it increased 2.6% to $297,500. The median days on market is now 17 days, 1 day fewer than this time last year. Despite the spring weather, buyer activity in the Maryland suburbs did not rebound as expected from the earlier winter pattern, but seller activity increased and there were more new listings on the market than in the past 3 years. The new supply of homes for sale may help bolster sales in upcoming months. That's the Maryland Suburbs Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.